What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today, let's talk about how to set spending limits for different categories in Cleo. Now, Cleo lets you to create caps or soft limits for specific categories like dining out, shopping, or transport. And here's how to set spending limits. First thing you got to do is open the Cleo app, and then you're gonna go to the budget section. Once you're in the budget section, you want to tap set limits by category or similar options. Once that's done, choose the category, that is grocery, takeouts, whatever it is. Just go ahead and choose the category, and then you're going to enter the limits amount for the month. Could be 150 for dining, or it could be 400 for transportation, whatever it is. Go ahead and set the limit amount. And once that's done, you're going to go ahead and save the limits. Now, what Cleo does next is to track your spending in that category in real time, and it's going to send alerts if you get close to or exceed the limits. And it also offers insights like you've already spent 80% of your food budget, or you've reached 100%, or you're going beyond 100%, things like that. It's going to send you those insights. And quick tip, you can adjust limits at any time via the chatbot with commands like set my Uber limit to $50, or lower my shopping budget to 100, or whatever. You can just use that to adjust limits. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.